Journey through Interconnectedness. Chapter 9. The Responsibility of Connection. There was a time when I thought my choices only affected me. My words, my actions, my decisions. They seemed small, personal, separate. But the more I observed life, the more I began to see something different. Every choice creates a ripple. Every ripple touches something beyond itself. A kind word can change a day. A conversation can change a life. A decision can change a future. And perhaps that's one of the greatest responsibilities of being human. To remember that we do not move through this world alone. We are constantly influencing one another through our presence, through our energy, through the way we choose to show up. One of the threads I've discovered on this journey is this: connection is not only a gift, it is also a responsibility. What kind of ripple do you want to leave behind? I am Unique Monique, and this is my journey. Welcome.